Custom stamping is a die that involves multiple operations, utilizing a combination of the press and the die to transform the sheet metal into a specified shape. Adopting various forming processes, precision stamping is used to manufacture components with complex geometric shapes and strict tolerances. These components are assigned to various industries, including specialized projects and machinery in the aerospace and medical fields. Custom stamping die refers to the pressure processing method of using a die fixed on a punch or press to apply a certain amount of pressure to metal or non-metal sheets, causing material separation or forming to obtain parts with specified size requirements and qualified appearance quality. There are many forms of dies, such as classification based on the nature of work, die construction, and die materials. The products processed by custom stamping dies have the same size and appearance, with little difference, because they have the characteristics of rapid prototyping, high production efficiency, stable product quality, accuracy meets requirements, high material utilization rate, simple operation, low labor intensity of workers, and low technical requirements for operators. Custom stamping die is an important tool in industrial production, which is used in the processing and manufacturing of various metal materials. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.